Haven't found any videos for the 2016 Silverado on catch cans. Got this guy. They have instructions. They are for the 5.3 and the 6.2, but not for the 2016 6.0. So your PCV valve location is on the driver's side, as you can see there. It's right back on the rear of the valve cover. You'll see this guy goes right down there to it, right there. And it just has a hose clamp on it right now. It has a barb that sticks up. This is what is normally attached to that barb. To pull it off, there's a little lever there. Just pull that lever down and the whole thing will come straight up off. The other end normally has the fitting that goes in the top of the upper intake manifold there. I have cut it using a pipe cutter. If you don't have one, you could use a pair of pliers or something, but you might mash the tube here a little bit, which is probably okay. There's not really a lot of pressure going through there. But I cut the pipe and put the new tubing onto that. To get this guy off, if you're trying to remove it to be able to cut that, you need to turn it 90 degrees this direction towards the front of the truck. I'm guessing you can turn it another direction as well, but I found that going towards the front of the truck was what I needed to do for mine. I had to take up this plate here because the tube was not able to fit 90 degrees. It's a little bit too stiff. This is a 10 millimeter here, so you can take this and then just lift this whole holder for the engine harness out. So that's what I did for mine. The inlet is going to be what comes from your PCV valve. That's what's in here. The outlet, which is there, is going right back into your upper intake manifold. So the supplied hoses were just the right length. It comes with a mounting bracket, which you can see here. You can have it in multiple positions. I faced mine straight forward, but you could face it towards the left if you wanted there to be a little bit less stress on the hoses, even though that should not matter. There is a little dipstick, so you'll be able to tell if you get oil in there how much you have and when you need to clean it out. The size for these guys is a 2.5 millimeter Allen key. You can probably make a standard work too, but the 2.5 is what they fit in there with. So that's what it looks like. And then you can take your cover and put it back down on there. The hoses you can route through that little wiring harness cut out in the cover. And there you go. I didn't clean it up too much because it's a work truck.